how to install WinSCP on Windows 11. So if you want to install WinSCP on Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for WinSCP and then go with the official website. Now, once you're on the official site, you need to just simply scroll down and then you will have the download option right here. Click on the download section and just close the ad. You'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply wait for a few seconds and your download will start shortly. You can go with the top right, which has that download section. Click on that and then go with download unverified file. And once it has been downloaded, you need to double click on that WinSCP and click on install for all users. And then click on yes. Go and accept the terms and conditions and then go with the installation, typical installation, and then go with next. Again, click on next and then again click on install, which will be right here. After that, it will start the installation process. That's how you can install WinSCP on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.